Hello everyone, this is Arnab Paisha, a final year student of Amity University, Noida Architecture. I had done my thesis project on an integrated handloom hub based in Sualkuchi. The main idea behind taking up the project was to revitalize the art and culture of Sualkuchi Weaving Village and to envisage Sualkuchi as the next commercial hub of Assam.
Sualkuchi is a beautiful scenic area situated on the northern banks of the magnificent Brahmaputra River, around 35 kilometers from Guwahati, towards the west. A development block of Kamrup district, with 8 gram panchayats, the total area of Sualkuchi is estimated to be 9.37 square kilometers. It is a weaver-centric region, also known as the Manchester of Assam. The population of Sualkuchi development block is 70,962, and the total number of weavers is 19,530, with 16,975 handlooms. The Sualkuchi Handloom cluster covers 340 weavers working devotedly towards their progress. The Ahom rain brought vast progress in the handloom sector of Sualkuchi. Sualkuchi is home to the golden Muga silk of Assam. The main reason behind choosing this project is to address the issues faced by the local handloom weavers, affecting production and overall face of the industry. The issues are lack of availability of raw materials at standardized rates, lack of a well-defined market platform, adulteration of Assam silk, and lack of proper infrastructure for small-scale weavers. The objectives of the project are to study handloom weaving village and identify the issues that can be addressed through the scope of architecture. To formulate a project brief to address with the solution for the identified issues. To design a hub which stays within the spirit of the local community and uplifts the face of the industry. The idea is to stitch the activities related to handloom weaving under a single hub. The site is located in Kamrup Rural, 35 kilometers away from Guwahati. It is well connected by the various modes of transit. It is located at the entry of the village. The site is abutted by the main Sualkuchi road of 9 meters and a secondary 5 meters road. The site is flanked by the weavers' settlements and the retail bazaars, which are low-rise structures. The major functions of the project are administrative, research and training, retail, bazaar, restaurant, auditorium and guest facilities. The zoning is done based on this hierarchy. The concept of the project is developed keeping in mind the nature of a village. The 3 main underlying abstracts are the warps and wefts of a textile forming the grid of the site, the master street manifested in a vertical spatial experience, the chalk being the hub of activity in a village. The layout of the site is done in such a way that the major functions are supported by minor informal activities which further spill out into the open spaces. There are 2 entries into the site, namely, from the 9 meters road entering into the administrative block and the bazaar chalk, and the 5 meters road entering into the institute, guest house and auditorium. The chalks form the bridge of activities where there is a substantial variation in function at every juncture. The site is majorly pedestrianized with walking portals and sit-outs. Use of bamboo is extensive along with fly ash bricks for construction. The Silk Emporium is the highest structure going up to 4 floors. On entering the site, we see the administrative block. On the left flank, the administrative block consists of a VIP lounge, a silk yarn bank, a silk technology information center and the directorate offices. Moving on to the right flank, we see the bazaar chalk. The ticketing counter and the temporary stocking facility is present here. There is seating along the chalk. The local handicraft bazaar cottages are cordoned off by the arcade, which further spill out into open landscaped breakout spaces. The central chalk looks onto the exhibition cottages, the amphitheatre, the local handicraft bazaar, and the silk emporio. The Silk Emporio aims at branding of Assam silk. It has about 50 shops. A local cuisine restaurant with an organic garden serves as a recreating and dining space. Entering from the 5-meter secondary road, there is a Handloom design and Sericulture Research Institute with an open plaza with seating, serving as a breakout space. There is a guest house with rooms for research scholars and families. There is a 500-seater auditorium envisaging a new horizon in the handloom industry of Sualkuchi, a new tomorrow.